Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diablo 3 offline. For PC players, it's important to understand that Diablo 3 requires a persistent internet connection, even for solo adventures. This design choice ensures all your character data and valuable items are securely stored on Blizzard's Battle.net servers. This online connection is fundamental to the game's integrity and helps combat potential cheating or item duplication, maintaining a fair experience for everyone. While PC play is always online, console gamers have more flexibility. If you're playing Diablo 3 on a PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, you can enjoy the full single-player campaign without an internet connection. This means you can delve into Sanctuary's world and battle demons even when you're not connected. However, remember that any multiplayer sessions on consoles will still need an active internet connection. Blizzard's decision for an always-online PC experience stems from several core principles. They aim to foster a connected community and ensure a secure environment for all players. Storing characters and items on their servers prevents local file tampering, which was a concern in previous titles. This also integrates social features like persistent friend lists and seamless drop-in, drop-out cooperative play. Since an internet connection is essential for Diablo 3 on PC, ensuring a stable broadband connection is key to a smooth experience. Even when playing alone, your game interacts with Battle.net for various services and updates. A reliable connection minimizes latency and prevents disconnections. Always check that your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for the best possible performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.